all have sorrow, but they are wise. We know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Hey, Lord, please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, no one can fill the loss of your needs, and that you won't let you. You just call on me, brother, when you need a friend. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you understand.